Hi G4G Squad, this is Shez with another video brought to you by Girls for God. Today we're bringing you another dip that is yummy, quick and easy, and very simple. Now the beauty of this dip, this could be something that you take to school for a snack, whip it up for afternoon tea, or on the weekend if you've got some friends over. The beauty of this dip is it is very versatile. Now our two ingredients, tomato relish and cream cheese. For the cheese component, you could use either cottage cheese, ricotta, or cream cheese, and you can use any type of chutney or relish. In this recipe, we're doing tomato relish. So all you need to do is scoop into a bowl a tub of cream cheese, cottage cheese, ricotta cheese. Now make sure it's a small tub. A little bit goes a long way with this recipe. It's great to eat with biscuits, corn chips, tortillas. You could even spread it on a wrap as a base instead of some mayo. So we've got some cream cheese. Now we get your chutney, and this is once again a very simple and adaptable recipe. We're going to put a couple of spoonfuls, so we'll go with 2 spoonfuls to start with, and then we'll taste it and see how that goes. Just mix it. It gets a really nice colour depending on your what chutney or relish you use. So 1 more spoonful. And voila. So there we go, another really quick and easy dip that goes great with biscuits that you can make for a school lunch. Make this on a Monday and use it all week, or for an afternoon snack, weekend with friends. G4G Squad. Okay. Hi G4G Squad. Hi G4G Squad. This is another video. Hi G4G Squad. This is Sharon. Shez. Hi G4G Squad. Once again, another video brought to you by. Brought to you.